All right. Hello there. Welcome to Algo HackJam Closing Ceremony. Thank you for joining us today. Ludovic, I see you. Okay, so happy to see you here. It's been a while since the hackathon launched and you were given 4 weeks to hack, and there was 1 week of judging after that. I'm sure you're looking forward to the winners announcement, but apart from celebrating the winners of the hackathon, we also have Johanna from Algorithm Foundation who will be giving a few words on the hackathon before we dive into it, into the rest of the agenda plan for the session. So let me pass the time to Johanna to share her closing thoughts.
Hi, everyone. I'm really happy and delighted to be here at the closing ceremony of Algo HackJam. We had amazing turnout of registrations for the hackathon, so over 2,000, which is great to see. There was probably about between 1% and 5% submitted projects in the end. And so what does that tell us? It tells us that we need to provide you, the developers, I guess with kind of early educational content to support you so that you can start building on Algorand. And that's really like my closing thoughts on this hackathon. A big shout out to Tribe and Algo, our AngelHack, for supporting us. The team are really organized and I really love working with them. And a big shout out to Levine on the call also. Thank you, Levine. So I guess it's really, I'm excited to grow the number of developers and grow and support better in nurturing the developers so they can build and get on board and start building an Algorand.
Yeah, great. All right. Thanks, Joe, for sharing. It's been an honor to work with you on this hackathon as well. So I was really excited to launch this back then. So now that the hackathon has come to an end, it doesn't mean your journey will stop here. There are many opportunities that Algorithm can provide, and you can build on what you have actually started. So today we'll be bringing up some of the highlights of the hackathon and also giving credits to some of the folks who were involved in this hackathon, and then dive straight into the winners. Okay, so what happened during the 4 weeks? You had the opportunity to build something that revolves around DeFi, NFTs, or decentralized gaming on Algorand. You were given 3 challenge statements to tackle: the novice, amateur, and veteran tracks. We have received a few interesting projects for each track, and that it will potentially benefit the Algorand ecosystem, and we would like to encourage you to continue developing them even after the hackathon has ended. So bring up the hackathon prizes again. So just to make it clear on how the prizes are distributed. So for the novice track, if you are a challenge winner, you'll be given 500 Algo tokens, along with a bonus of 1,000 Algo if a project demo or a video of your project demo has been submitted. You'll receive a swag box from us, and the best project in this track shall receive a sponsored trip to the developer event, Algorand's AVM event in September. So for the amateur and veteran track, you shall have 2,500 and 3,500 Algo tokens respectively, along with exclusive swag boxes. And then next up, we would like to give credits to our judges and mentors. So we'll like to mention the folks involved. So really huge thanks to the judges for reviewing our projects and also taking the time to look at each project demos and the code involved, and also the mentors who went for the consultations and then took their time off for networking sessions just to speak with all the participants. So really thank you to these folks for helping in the hackathon. Okay, so next, who will bag the prize home? So just to let you know, the winners will also be announced on AngelHack's social media. So feel free to tweet, retweet, or share your Instagram stories if you are one of the winners. Right, okay, so congratulations to the following teams for making it to the list of challenge winners for the novice track. The best project for this track actually came from Team Awesome. Congratulations on winning the sponsored trip to Algorand's event in September. You guys did a really good job for your submission, so did the rest of you too. So for those who did not see their team name on the screen, fret not. We will have something for you, but stay tuned to the end to find out. And also moving on to the next track, we have two winning teams, Diatomy X team and Data Science XYZ. Heartfelt congratulations to both teams. Thanks for attempting this track and holding hard for the past few weeks. So unfortunately for the veteran track, there wasn't any submissions that were qualified for the track. So there will be no winners for that track. Again, a huge thanks to all of the participants who worked hard for the submission. So what's next after this? For the winning teams, please take note of the following. The AngelHack team will contact each team in 2 weeks' time to distribute the prizes and gather details on your mailing addresses for swag boxes. Just as I encouraged earlier, do explore further with Auburn. You can do so by reaching out to the email address on the screen, or keep a lookout for new projects that the Auburn developer community has built for their ecosystem. So lastly, your feedback will be very valuable to us. So I hope you can help us to improve by filling our feedback form. You can scan the QR code on your right to access the form. It will take you less than 5 minutes to complete. And at the end of it, you will receive a swag box from us too. Yeah, so help us out. Okay, so the last part of this closing ceremony will end off with Johanna sharing what are the upcoming events by Auburn Foundation. Keep passing it on to you, Johanna.
Thanks, Levine. So let me just share my screen really quickly. Share. So this is, we're really excited. So like I head up the developer outreach programs for the Algo Foundation. And what does that mean? That means anything that is external programs, of which, you know, we did a really great partnership with Tribe, of which AngelHack came under that, and that is how, you know, this hackathon happened. So that will be an example of an external. But what I'm really excited is we launched our global hack series, the Greenhouse Hacks, on June 8th in Austin at Consensus. And on Monday, we kicked off our first online hack that takes place over 5 weeks. So I would encourage you, if you still want to, you know, whet appetite on start hacking a little bit more. You know, we have programming going on. We completed our pre-programming, and pre-programming surrounded, you know, team formation and getting you up to speed with developer content and tutorials. But that will continue throughout the hackathon. So, you know, get to algorand.foundation Greenhouse Hacks. And if you want to participate, I encourage you to register. This is the first of our hackathon series, and we will be launching the second online hack Greenhouse Hack number 2 towards the end of September. So if you want a break and you need a couple of weeks just to recoup, you can jump in and participate in our Greenhouse Hacks at any stage. You know, throughout the hackathon, there'll be bounties that we invite the developers to work on, and there will be a good mix of beginner to intermediate bounties and challenges to work on. So there's something for every single developer, whether you're Web 2 and you're jumping into Web 3, or you're a current Web 3 developer and you you know, want to start building an Algorand. So there's something for everyone. Any questions? Happy for you to reach out to me. You know, we're really excited about the winning team. For, you know, we're going to Singapore. I know a lot of participants here, given, you know, AngelHack's location in Singapore, and we will be in Singapore on the 27th for our big developer event. So we're looking forward to meeting you. If you're around, please come. It's free. And there will also be an opportunity to participate in workshops as well on the 28th and 29th of September. So really excited. Come join, come register and jump into the greenhouse. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you everyone. So September will be an exciting month for all of us. So really hope to see you guys there. So with that, I conclude the closing ceremony. Congratulations to the winning team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll answer them. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, everyone.